Yeah, that's right, Felicia. Pretty much if you were planning on traveling anywhere north of Washington, D.C., there's a good chance that your flight was canceled. And for many of those travelers, that means coming up with a backup plan on the fly. The flight status boards at PBIA were lit up with cancellation after cancellation, a result of a blizzard affecting much of the Northeast right now. What time was your flight?
5:30 of this afternoon, and they canceled it. I had a flight this morning, and they canceled that one yesterday.
Betta Carano has a property here in Palm Beach County, but needed to make it up to New York for a trade show. Her United flight was canceled, so she tried JetBlue with no luck.
They said they don't have anything. The only thing they have on United is for Thursday night.
And her plan now?
Go in the sun. Every time something happens. But you have to go with the flow. What are you going to do?
For others, it's not so simple, with more pressing responsibilities awaiting them at home.
I have a sick grandchild. I've got a business of my own. I need to be back.
Lakshmi Bloom is from Boston and has been trying to get there since Sunday night. She and her husband were able to get a flight to D.C., and then they're winging it from there.
We're going to sit it out in D.C. at a hotel, I think, and we didn't bring our coats. So we're going to just, I don't know, make lemonade, I guess.
And with so many cancellations, not just here, but all up and down the East Coast, it's a good idea to check your flight status ahead of time and try to figure out your plan B before you come to the airport. Live at Palm Beach International Airport, Jay Jarvis, WPBF 25 News.